Summer Immersion Program is a program designed for high school sophomores, juniors, and seniors, giving them the opportunity to take a deep dive into a particular career path.
Coming in here, I thought, oh, it might just be classroom, but we are rarely just in the classroom.
I really enjoyed visiting the different businesses around Charlotte.
My favorite experience has been the Whitewater Center.
Visiting the Panther Stadium.
We toured operating rooms.
We're getting out and about, going up to Winston-Salem to see the campus.
Wake Forest is has a beautiful campus.
The best experience for me was going to the robotics, the first zone.
I get to do things that other kids in my high school and the nation couldn't really do.
I have found all of the presenters very interesting.
You can't go around just find these people who are coming in to talk to us.
Many of our students have walked away from this opportunity with internships, shadowing opportunities, and lifelong mentors.
This program is to immerse them into a particular field, but it's also, getting them into being lifelong learners.
Seeing their eyes light up when they learn about something that might be a future career path for them is really exciting for me.
I think the faculty got a tremendous amount of satisfaction out of seeing the kids energized, informed, excited.
It makes me feel great to see and hear the feedback from both students as well as parents that they leave the camp by Friday feeling as if a light bulb has gone off.
It's a fun, eye-opening experience.
There's nothing else like this.
It changes your life. Without summer immersion, I never would have been in this position.